Good day, my name is Vincent Valentine. I've received my Tucci Di Lusso handmade Italian smart belt. It comes with a silver belt buckle, and on it comes with the gold one. I've received the gray colorway. They have 8 different colorways. This is a smart belt because of their ridge design right here that are 5 millimeters apart, or 1/4 of an inch. It slides into the belt buckle really smoothly, and that click is very nice. It even has this little loop here. It has the metal on it to keep it nice and secured. On the belt buckle, it is leather, and it has their little logo on it. It looks very sleek. And to remove the belt, you just push this up and slide it out. On the back of the buckle, you can see there is this little piece here. You can lift that up to remove the belt. And you can install the silver one. Here you can see this moves up. There's some teeth here that grip onto the belt. The belt itself is very premium and thick. You have the soft leather inside. To replace the belt buckle, you can take a thin metal object, you can slide it under this little lip and pry it up, and then that will remove the belt. You can see where the teeth grab into. You can take your other belt buckle. I recommend sliding in at an angle to get it in some, and then just twisting it in like that, and you push the teeth back down. And then it's now replaced. This is now in the silver. You can see how that looks. Nice and sleek. Goes great with the gray. This belt looks perfect for formal and casual occasions. I highly recommend the Tucci Di Lusso handmade Italian leather smart belt.